Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create sticky columns in Elementor WordPress website. So here we can go and click on Edit with Elementor, and now here you can see Elementor is loading. Now here I want to add a new container, and I want to add some background. And here I want to add some elements. Now let me add here image, this one, and now I want to add one button. This one. After that, here I want to add some text, so I can go and select image box, and after that here I can add some text, and now let me select some images. And here I want to add text color, it should be black, and then here I want to add some padding, and now let me add background color white, and here I want to add border, that should be 30, and after that now let me duplicate. Okay, now here you can see when I try to scroll, then this is also scrolling. So I want to reduce this one, image size, and here I want to add some margin in the button. Okay, that's looking fine. Now in the first container I want to add some features. Here you can go in motion effects, then sticky, and select the top. Then here you can enable this one, stay in columns, and here I want to add some gap from top and bottom. So now if I go and scroll down, now here you can see it's working fine. Now here I want to add some spacing for this container from the bottom. So let me go here and add the spacing. So that's looking fine. And now let's view it on mobile devices. So here you can see how it looks. Here we can go and reduce the spacing. So now how we can disable these options on the mobile devices. So let me go back, and here you can go to sticky options, then motion effects, and here disable for the mobile and tab devices.